Hello class. We're going to go over the exit ticket from yesterday. It was December 9th, 2014. Here it is, Prairie Middle School, our exit ticket. We're going to solve the equation and we're also going to graph it. Okay? Everyone pay attention. Here we go. We have -7 plus x is less than or equal to -3. We're going to solve this just like we did the one-step equations, which we've been working on in the past week and a half or so. Let's look at it. Our variable is on the left-hand side here, okay? But we also have a number over here. We want to get rid of this -7 because we want to isolate our variable on one side of the inequality. And that's what we're going to do. We want to have x by itself over here, so we want to get rid of everything else on this side. So we look at -7. What's the opposite of -7? +7. So what if we put +7 with -7? Isn't that going to equal 0? Let's do that. Let's get rid of our 7 by adding 7 over here. But since we added 7 on the left-hand side, don't we have to add 7 on the right-hand side? It's an equation. Well, it's actually an inequality, but we need to keep things the same on both sides. If we add 7 over here, we have to add 7 over here also. Okay, so let's add 7 over here. Let's draw a line down here just to kind of keep things in order. Okay, so now we've got 0 over here. All we have left is x. So we have x. Bring this over. We're sitting right there. Okay, so now we have -3 plus 7. If we start at -3 on the number line and go to the right 7, wouldn't that work? If we count from -3 to 0 is 3, and then if we go 4 more, wouldn't that be 7? +7. We're going to the right from -3. Also, the absolute value of -3 is 3, absolute value of 7 is 7. We know if we just subtract 7 minus 3, that equals 4. It's the same thing. We're going to end up with x is less than or equal to 4. Does everyone agree with that? It looks good to me. -3 plus 7 is 4. X is less than or equal to 4. We've solved our inequality. Now we have to find out the values for x. Okay? Let's draw a number line here. And to make things simple, let's put 4 right in the middle. Don't have to go out too far, probably. Here's our number line. We've got 4 right in the middle. We're going to plot this, okay? If x is less than or equal to 4, we can think that it's going to include 4. If we substitute 4 in for x right here, is 4 less than or equal to 4? Sure it is. So we're going to start with our circle right here. We're either going to color it in or not. We're going to color it in if 4 satisfies this inequality. If we put 4 is less than or equal to 4, that's a true statement, isn't it? So we're going to include 4, which means we're going to color in our circle here. All right? Anytime you see less than or equal to, you're going to have your circle colored in. Now, with the variable on the left-hand side, a simple trick. With our variable on the left-hand side, wherever this inequality is facing, the arrow's going to go the same way on your graph. Okay? Right here with the variable on the left-hand side, the arrow facing to the left, we know it's going to go like this. All numbers, including 4, and to the left of 4 on the number line, are going to satisfy this inequality. We could plug in 1. Is 1 for x? Is 1 less than or equal to 4? Sure it is. Let's try one over here. Is 8 less than or equal to 4? No, it's not. So these numbers don't satisfy this inequality, but everything with 4 and to the left of 4 does satisfy it. So here's our finished graph. Everything over here works for the inequality. We've solved the inequality for x, we've graphed it, and now we're done. You get 2 points extra credit if you got this right, plus you graphed it right. Okay? You got 1 point if you got one of these, and you got 0 if you didn't solve this and did not graph it properly. 0 extra credit, but that does not count negatively towards your grade. Okay? These are all extra credit points. Thank you.